This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. The open concept floor plan is ideal for entertaining, featuring an upgraded kitchen with modern finishes and freshly painted interiors throughout. A spacious 2-car garage adds convenience and storage space. Enjoy a privacy fenced backyard, offering a tranquil space to relax while overlooking the serene neighborhood pond. Enjoy the paths throughout the neighborhood that lead to the playground, perfect for outdoor activities. This home is also strategically located for easy, no-toll access to nearby military bases. Plus, the sellers will pay off the solar panels at closing, which will significantly reduce your future energy costs. Don't miss the opportunity to make this beautiful home yours. December 3, 2024. For more information, review the details below.